Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the DT Watch 10 smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to show you on how to add or upload or set a wallpaper on your smartwatch with DT Watch 10 or the DT Watch X 10th Anniversary Edition smartwatch. This wearable is one of the few smartwatches in the market with the option to customize the wallpaper of the smartwatch or the background. So this wearable has an option to add your own wallpaper. Okay? And that is what we are going to show you on this video. So if you are interested in personalizing your smartwatch, aside from the watch face, you also want to add a background or a wallpaper. For example, this one, if you want to add an image on this menu, at the back of this menu, watch this video, as this wearable do have an option to add your own wallpaper, which is pretty cool, right? Okay, so if you are interested, watch this video, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, let's begin and explore the world of wallpaper for the DT Watch 10. This smartwatch is already preloaded with several images. Okay, you can use these images to add or to have your own wallpaper, to change the wallpaper of this smartwatch. All you have to do is just go to the settings, go to the display, tap on set wallpaper. So we have here no wallpaper. That means you have the black wallpaper here, or the black background. We have the default wallpaper, and we have a custom wallpaper. What we want is the custom wallpaper. So tap on the custom wallpaper, tap on OK, and we have here several photos. Okay, several images for your smartwatch. For example, we want to have a wallpaper. We want to set a wallpaper. Tap on the image, then OK. So when you press the power button to go to the menu, your menu will have its own wallpaper, as you can see here. Okay, so this feature is somewhat similar to your smartphone. Most of the smartwatches right now, you can only add your own photo on the watch face or dial. So sort of a custom dial. But with our DT Watch X, it is a separate feature. Okay, so this feature makes the DT Watch 10 different from other smartwatches. So premium design with the premium features. If you want to add your own image, just go to the photo. Okay, so we have here the list of images. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the support app, open the Wear Pro application. Tap on Wear Pro. Make it sure that you are paired with a smartwatch. You are connected. Okay, so we are connected, as you can see here. Tap on Transfer Images. Okay, tap here to change photos. So you have an option here to take a photo or go to your gallery. For example, we have take a photo. So let's take a photo of this. Okay, then OK, then check, then sync to your smartwatch. As you can see here, it's now transferring the photo. And we have here the photo. Okay, very good. And as you can see, the uploading of image is very fast. The uploading of photo is very fast. No issue at all. Okay, if you want to add another photo, just tap on the plus sign, select from album, then for example we want this one, Mobile Legends. Check, then sync to watch. Let's have another one. Go back, transfer images, tap on the plus sign, and we'll have this one, a scenery. Okay, beautiful photo here. Check, sync to watch. Don't worry about the storage, as the smartwatch has a very good or a large storage space for your photos. And next, select from, and we'll pick this one. Check, sync to watch. I guess it's already enough. As you can see here, we have added 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, to have or to change the wallpaper, so this is our wallpaper here. Let's go to the settings again, tap on display, go to the bottom part, set wallpaper, tap on custom wallpaper, and let's select from the uploaded images or photos. So let's pick this one. Okay, tap on the or press the power button, and we have here our watch face uploaded photo. Very beautiful, as you can see here. Okay, it sets your smartwatch apart from other wearable. Most of the smartwatches right now can only have their own custom watch face. In our case, we can have our own custom watch face as well as custom wallpaper. Your own wallpaper photo. Let's select this one. I think I like a scenery. And okay, press again, and we have it here. So amazing, cool feature on the DT Watch 10. Very impressive feature here. So only few smartwatches do have this functionality, and one of the latest is the DT Watch 10 smartwatch. Okay, and before we end, I'm going to show you the different menus first. Settings, display, UI effect. Okay, so we have it here, the page, the cube. So if you want to change, okay, so we have this somewhat like animation or feature for transitioning of the menus. Okay, another cool feature from DT Watch X. So that's it for our tutorial on how to set your own wallpaper on the smartwatch. And of course, our smartwatch here that is capable of setting the wallpaper is the DT Watch 10. So that's it. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, just drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.